morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today is March 5th, 2021. It is 3/5/2021. It is day 103, and it is Staff or Employee Appreciation Day. So many thanks to all the wonderful teachers, support staff, custodian, cafeteria workers, clerk, nurse, everybody who makes Aborn work smoothly, efficiently, and happily. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. Congratulations to this week's OWLS Students of the Week. We are very proud of you. Mrs. Kenny and Mrs. Dracopoulos will be covering grade level data meetings this morning with Chris Parker, so they will be covering grades K to 2 all day. So there will be no music and no math classes with Mrs. K and Mrs. D today. It is Friday. That means it is time for our Tribon Challenge. It is Tribon Challenge number 13. Talk to your peers this morning at morning meetings. See if you can find the one word that links these three words together. Brown, hug, Teddy. Have a great day, everyone. Don't forget, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Thank you, Aborn staff. You are appreciated. And I will post the Tribon Challenge reveal today at 1 o'clock in Schoology. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.